Okay, just got a package from Adorama, little LED bicolor on-camera lights. I believe it's the Viltrox L116T. I think I paid $32 for it. Actually, I had a bunch of points on Adorama, so I think with my points it cost me $1.50 or something to get this. So it's pretty inexpensive, but so I thought I'd give it a try. So we're gonna rip it open and take a look at it. It's in there pretty good. Packing slip. A little mount. That's nice. Oh, there they are. I'm going to see if there's any instructions in English. That'd be nice. All right. Looks pretty good. It's got a little stable mount there. That's good to hook that into that so it doesn't slide around. That's always nice. Quick mount. Feels pretty good. I mean, it's plastic, but it feels pretty good. And this looks like a, GoPro type of thing here. Mount, LCD screen on the back. Okay, well, let's take a look at this on a camera. All right, that was fun. Doing a little lighting, a little smoke, just playing around. Now we'll really look at it on the camera. So it mounts up pretty good. This bracket that they give you, mounting bracket, is pretty nice. I mean, everything's plastic, but for $32, I'm really impressed with what it is. And again, on the back, got your on-off switch right here, pretty simple. And then the battery just mounts in, out. Sony battery, super simple. One push, one click, gets you the color temperature to flash. Then you have all your controls right there. Really nice. Click it again and then you're back to your brightness, what percentage of brightness. It even shows what kind of your battery power, what you've got left in there, which is good. Full power. It's nice. So it is a pretty good piece of equipment. I'm not sure how long this battery is going to last on there. Should last a pretty good long time, but overall, for the first look out of the box, I'm liking it. We'll do a quick test with actually lighting me with that here, and we'll take a look at that. All right, got the light on top of the camera. On the hot shoe, it's at full power. I'm about arm lengths away. I've got the camera on a tripod right now, but if you were vlogging, I'd say it's about arm length away. I'm in a dark environment, the studio, got all the lights turned off except the background light back there. ISO 1600, shooting at 23 frames a second, 50th of a second at f5.6. So it's pretty good. It's nice and diffused. For the price point, I think it's well worth the money. I think I paid more for the battery than I did for the light. I really did, because I used my Adorama points on this one and got it for $1.50. So it was really a good deal. But I would give it 2 thumbs up and, recommend buying this thing. So everybody stay safe out there. Please subscribe. And till next time, I'm out.